हरे कृष्णा। जय राधे जय राधे राधे, जय राधे जय श्री राधे. So please come to Radharani's very own place. Let's take you to Barsana today. So Barsana, there is one very ancient, beautiful Leela Sthali. The name is Dangad, and there is a temple of Dan Bihari. And this is the only one and only temple where Krishna is dressed like a gopi and he is wearing bangles and Mangal Sutra and Sindur. So that is Dan Bihari. Now, why is Krishna in this rarest of rare form? So actually it is described that there was a Brahmana who was very, very poor and he had a girl, but he did not have any money to arrange for the marriage of this girl. So his wife, one day, out of anger, she pushed him out of the house and she said that unless you get enough money to marry our daughter, you are not allowed inside. And this Brahmana, he was distressed and he was wandering here and there and he was wandering in the forest where nearby Krishna and Radharani were doing some pastimes. So Krishna happened to notice this Brahmana and he asked, "Why are you so sad?" And Brahmana explained that I need money to marry my daughter. Basically, I need some money. So as we read in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says 4 type of people come to me. And one category is those who are poor. Artharthi, Jigyasu and Gyani. So this person was looking for some money. So Krishna said, "Look, I myself am a poor cowherd boy. I don't have anything much, but one thing I have which is very, very precious. And I can give that to you in dan, in charity." So the Brahmana was very eager. Yes, yes, please, please do give me. And Srimati Radharani was looking like sidelong glances at Krishna as what he's going to offer. Krishna said, "All I have is Radhe. So you can take Srimati Radharani with you." And hearing this, all the gopis and Radharani, they were so angry that how dare Krishna, how can you give Radharani in charity? But Krishna had already spoken. And this Brahmana, when he hears this, instead of rejoicing, he started crying very loudly. He started wailing and crying. And he said, "I came to you for some help and you are giving me a curse." So Krishna said, "Come on, I am giving you Srimati Radharani, and why you are saying I am giving you a curse?" He said, "I already have one daughter. You are giving me another daughter. I don't have money to arrange the marriage for one and you are giving me the second one. So what do I tell? Why are you doing this to me?" So then Krishna, understanding his plight, Krishna said, "Okay, let me do one thing. You arrange for a tula dan, that balance tula. So you arrange for a tula and on one side Srimati Radharani will sit and I will give jewelry, etc. equal to the weight of Srimati Radharani." So Brahman was happy, Radharani was happy, gopis were happy, and everything was arranged. And Krishna started removing one jewel and second and third, and bangle gone and necklace gone and pearl chain gone. Even the pav ka pajeb also gone. Everything is going one after the other. And still Radharani was heavier and the jewels were not enough. So finally Radharani glanced at Krishna's flute and she said, "Keep it." And then Krishna keeps his flute. Now, flute is very, very dear to Krishna. But finally, he took out his flute and he kept it. And the moment he kept the flute, it matched. So then the Brahmana was very happy. He took everything. Radharani, she took the flute and everything else Brahmana took and went. And now they were on Krishna. Like they were so angry with Krishna that how could you do? We will punish you. How could you think like that also? So for that, what they did is they dressed Krishna as a gopi. So Krishna was given all the jewelry and skirt and blouse and odhni and everything. And not only that, they did a pallu, they covered like ghungat for Krishna. And they took Krishna to their home. And then other gopis would come and they would say, new gopi, who is that? Some new gopi has come. Okay, let me see the face. And some gopi would, open the ghungat and kitni kali hai. Such dark gopi. From where did you bring her? Like that, they were passing on comments on Krishna. Somebody would ask, "Who's your mother-in-law?" Somebody would ask, "How your husband treats you?" And Krishna was feeling so irritated. And he was just waiting for the time to get over because one day was their punishment. So the moment it got over, Krishna just got up and ran from there to be with his friends. So the point is that here in this temple in Dan Bihari Mandir, remembering this pastime, Krishna is still there in the form of the gopi. So do not forget to visit this beautiful temple when you are visiting Barsana. Hare Krishna.